A lot of steam and a little bit of smoke. Still feels pretty cool in the middle though. We're just gonna let that go for a nice long time. I'm gonna be checking on this fire on and off all night long. All right, I think it's time to start making this place comfy. Put my animal hides in there. Got a couple caribou hides as a mat, a nice buffalo hide as a blanket. Oh. It's hard to see on the camera, but every now and then the smoke coming out of the barrel is catching on fire. You can hear the wood popping and stuff, so I think we're starting to get some charcoal on the bottom, but most of this smoke coming out of here is actually just steam. It feels wet. Pieces like this are still wet. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cook a baked potato here. Let's get this thing surrounded by coals.